Hi guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat video call problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this and then scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the phone permission. Go back to the home page and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Snapchat and then click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.